Wow. Just come inside. Come inside. Come on, come on. Yes, where have you been? I've been trying to call you. Your phone was not reachable. What's your excuse now? Network flag come up on your phone. Jesse, where you go for this Benin network lobby? You go your house to say network fly on. And they talk to the able to rub my chest the entire time. What if they worry you? Why you do your face like this? Which kind of face is this one you do?
My guy, you be really goat. I can take the goat. I tell you, say I see your girl for this new hotel here. That they minor. I think so. What did they do? You never take her serious. She just kinda just rub your mind, rub your nipple, your head tall. Your head tall. You can't embrace her. Can this get to answer me? Tell us it is over.
So you not there yet where my girl is tell me say it's go your house to say I say network not there.
No, so
you not there yet.
No, be so that it's now regular statement.
My brother, see, now only mumu. Now they break up with your girlfriend for rainy season. See, or rainy season. My brother, my girl there inside. When I went out for 2, go there with your friend.